Question. Question avec verbe être. Question with to be verb avec verbe être. Comment on dit question? How can I pronounce question in English? You say question. Question. Question form. Question form. If I have a sentence, si je une phrase, for example, you are lazy. The same sentence. You are lazy. You are lazy girl. Pour mettre face à la forme négative, you are not lazy. Okay, you are not lazy. Mais pour là, I'm going to put this sentence into an interrogative question. Je vais changer phrase ça à la forme interrogative. Let's go. You are a good student. You are a good student. You are a good student. So, subject is you, are is the verb. So, this is the second person singular. You are a good student. I'm talking to you. I say, you are a good student. Jessica, could you please change for me this sentence, you are a good student, into our negative form? You would probably say, yes, teacher, because you know how to say it. You know how to do it. What I said you need to add only the word not, okay, after the auxiliary. Si je demande faire ou ta fait parce que vous connaissez not pour mettre après auxiliaire. You are not a good student. So right now you are going to change for the question form pour la forme interrogative qui ça doit faire right now. Keep this. You is the subject, are is the verb. We are going to change them place. To change the subject and the verb. The verb will take the subject place and the subject will get the verb's place. What I mean? Sujet a pris place. Verbe là et verbe là prend sujet. For example, you do it like this. Here. Okay. You are a good student. For the question form, interrogative form, are you a good student? Don't forget to put a question mark. Question mark. A question mark. If I have it like this, she is a doctor. Lycée en docteur. Est-ce que lycée en docteur? For the question. Change them place. When I say them, I mean the subject with the verb. You invert them. The subject will be after the verb. The verb will be before the subject. Is she? You invert them. Is she a doctor? Question mark. The same too. You are a good student. Question. You are a good student. Are you a good student? Are you a good student? This is how you can ask the question. Now, guys, for you are going to guess. They are very excited. I am excited. Okay. They are excited. They are excited. I did the word very. They are, because very happy means excited. They are excited. Yo content. M'bradi, yo pas content. What can I do? I add not after are. They are not excited. I'm excited to join the meeting. I'm content pour rencontrer la réunion. Si je pose des questions, comment on dit ça? Yes. Change. Okay. Say are. Before, are they? Are they excited? Because for this question, you see, for this sentence, excited. Ou content? Question. Si me dis tu es content, you are happy. Est-ce que content? Est-ce que content pour moi? Are you happy to see me? Simple. Very simple. Vraiment simple. Mes amis, nous comprenons the question form. Question, nous comprenons. J'espère nous comprenons le verbe to be très bien. Pas seulement ça, nous allons apprendre le verbe to be au passé tout. On va montrer nous comment conjuguer l'autre verbe. Quel soit le verbe là, to speak, to montre comment poser question avec eux. Si mon autre do you understand? Ou comprenez pour qui ça dit comme ça. L'autre verbe, l'autre couillon. Please, s'il vous plaît, classe, pratiquez et comprenez, commentez pour vous, dire comment ça est pour nous. Thank you and see you next.